Hello, this is our project Krishi Mitra. We can see several agro sensors being connected to our project. So this project is currently running. We can see our ESP32 Wi-Fi module. This is our main microcontroller. This is Arduino. We are using it just for power supplying all the sensors. This project is currently running. You can see the serial monitor. All the values it is sending to the serial monitor: light intensity, distance, soil moisture, dry soil, no rain. So that is the status of all the sensors. So I will try to demonstrate you each sensors one by one. This is our motor status LED. You can see this is currently on. This means our motor is running. Why? Because this soil moisture sensor is not receiving any moisture, but as soon as I put it into the water, this LED turns off. That means our soil moisture sensor is receiving moisture, so our water pump is now not running. Okay, and this is our rain detector sensor. We detect rain, and if it is raining, as soon as I put in this in water, you can see this water pump will turn off. And you can also see here in the serial monitor, you can see the status of heavy rain here. Okay, hello. So now I will try to demonstrate you this ultrasonic sensor. You can see in the serial monitor it is receiving a distance of like 27 centimeter. Okay, and as soon as I put some obstacle in front of this sensor, you can see the distance changing to 4 centimeter. So this sensor is working very correctly. Also, you can see this sensor. This is DHT11. This is responsible for reading or measuring the temperature or humidity. So you can see as it is running, you can see here the temperature and humidity. You can see the temperature here 38 degrees Celsius and humidity 52%. Okay, since this our project is currently running, and this ESP32 microcontroller is connected to the Wi-Fi router, and it is sending all the sensor value to the ThingSpeak cloud. You can see here the status. They're waiting for channel update, because ThingSpeak allow updating its values only after an interval of 30 seconds. Okay, so you can see here in that you can see the channel update successful. That means the sensor value it reading at that time, it is successfully sending to the cloud. And you can see here in ThingSpeak channel, you can see all the sensor value, the ultrasonic sensor value. You can see it is received, yes, with the timestamp 11:52. Okay, in here you can see the soil moisture sensor values, all the here the rain sensor values, and here the humidity value and the temperature value with the timestamp. So our project is successfully running and successfully sending all the data to the ThingSpeak server. Okay, thank you.